As predicted by the government of Florida, this flood is becoming so bad. This hurricane is becoming so bad that this is the current reports from a lot of people from Florida. You can hear what someone has to say about this. This video.
Dude, it's just not stopping.
It's the wind, the hurricane is so much. For those of them that didn't leave, it's so much. It's bringing up winds and in a very high intensity. Yeah. So as opposed to what the government said, a lot of people are still there, and there are live videos showing us what is happening in Tampa, Florida. So yeah. This is what we got now, and it is really bad. It is really bad as suggested by the government, as suggested by the forecasters. It is way too bad. It hasn't even started fully, and everywhere there are lots of properties.
Oh my goodness!
And all of
Whoa!
that. See from this video, the lights are.
These are some of the still the craziest gusts.
So yeah, it's getting bad. I pray for Florida. I pray that people's property doesn't just come into a station like that, because this is probably a lot. So yeah, this camera is not really bright, but it's just showing that the wind intensity is just coming, and it is so much on the video of this. So yeah, so this is also the wind. These are just extracted live videos. The extracted live videos as what was happening on 10th